Hi, my name is Raghuvir Parwat and I am the founder of Train Flow Media, that is a marketing agency and coaching advisory. Alright, and this is the second video of why should you advertise on the Facebook. In the last video you have seen that why should you advertise on the Facebook, and today I am going to share some most important things, so don't forget to watch till the end. Alright, you may hear that what if I lost the all money in the Facebook ad. And the last week I met with one of the real estate agent, and the same question he asked with me. What if I lost all money in the Facebook ad? And it may be you are hearing same thing from the so many different clients. Alright. And number two, you may also listen or you may also hear that I spent months on building the funnel, and when I tried Facebook ad to bring traffic funnel, and I had to shut down the funnel. And the same thing I observed last month. I met one of the coach and he told I spent almost 2 months on building the funnel and I had to shut down. And number three, you may listen, I spent thousands of dollars on the ad but I could not get any return. And this is a common question when you reach out to the audience, when you reach out to the potential your client, then this is a common questions you will observe. What should you tell on this? And let me ask a question from all of you. Why should you advertise on the Facebook? And why? And you may also listen, so many people, so many negative people told you bad advertisement doesn't work. But let me ask a question. If paid advertisement doesn't work, then why millions of companies are running ads on the Facebook? Paid advertisement works, but you need to understand the psychology of the buyer and you need to understand the process of the advertisement. Then you can make Facebook ad profitable. Alright, and I will share the next few tips in the next video, so stay tuned, stay connected with me, and thank you for watching this video.